Hi, I'm Katrina Kaif, and you are watching Bollywood Hungama.
Welcome to Bollywood Hungama, Katrina.
Thank you.
Yeah, I met you a couple of years ago.
Yes.
I think that was during Tigers in the Hair. And at that time, you mentioned that you are working on certain ventures.
Yeah, that's right.
And was K Beauty one of them?
Definitely. That was probably exactly around the time it first probably kind of started the conversation. And every step of the way has been so fun, such a learning process, so much fun to be involved in something that I'm very passionate about. I've learned so much in my experience with working with some of the best makeup artists that there are. So many tips, using of course makeup in my own daily life and doing my own makeup for a lot of films, and having that experience, I knew what I wanted from the products. I knew what I wanted them to be like. I knew what I wanted to say with them, and having the most incredible partners with Nykaa who've given me that whole, together we've come and been able to create the brand that I wanted to, K Beauty.
Yeah, I went through a lot of products, and what I loved about it, so every name is synonymous with your career.
Yes.
And the best part about it is...
they're inspired, something to do with the films.
Yeah, best part about it is that people are liking it so much.
Yeah, I mean each product is something which is, we wanted every formulation to be of the highest quality as well as care for your skin at the same time. So every formulation that we're coming out with, we've seen, we've tested, we've tried, we've loved it. So I know that people are going to love the formulations and the product, and every launch that we do is really exciting because I can't wait for people to see the products and use them and experience them. And I think maybe within a few months, hopefully, God willing, we'll have launched, the complete range.
Okay, there's more to come then.
Oh, a lot more, yes, a lot more.
Okay. So it's been a month or so, I guess?
I think so. I think it's been about a month, yeah. A little over a month.
Yeah. So since 1 month, what has been the reactions, and what are people buying, and what are people saying on social media about it?
I mean, incredible reactions that we've got right from the first ad film which we released and which got released all across social media. The love that we got for that video, which was written for us by Zoya Akhtar, who's a dear friend of mine, who came in and she was talking with me a lot about K Beauty and what it was all about and what I wanted to say with it and what did it mean to me. And based on that conversation, she wrote an incredible script. And one Sunday, I remember we called across Falguni Nair, who came over on Sunday morning, the CEO of Nykaa. She heard the idea and heard the script and said, I love it, it's fantastic, go ahead. And gave us full freedom to create this incredible campaign. And I had these wonderful women who came down and supported us in the video. Nayantara, Saina Nehwal, Raja Kumari, Kusha Kapila, and so many other beautiful girls who created this incredible video with me just to support what I wanted to do with K Beauty. And such a special experience. Yeah. Such a special experience for me making that, and everyone agreeing to be a part of it.
Yeah. Being the first actress in the country right now who started her own line, I'm sure there must be a lot of jitters while making these products because these are your
just
babies
before the
general.
launch, yes. Yeah. Just before the launch, my goodness, sleepless nights, working round the clock, and just like before the launch, we were like, it has to go right, and everything turned out so beautifully. The support from the industry, the support from my colleagues, everyone posted the ad for me on their social media so that we could reach more people. The campaign, the photograph campaign came out beautifully. I loved all the images. Our Insta handle, K by Katrina, which is the Insta handle for K Beauty, where we post all of our information, our bloggers reposts, the support we got from the beauty bloggers, the feedback we got from everyone who has used the products. So online, the feedback from my friends and colleagues, the feedbacks. Everyone loved the lip crayons, which was the first product we launched. And it's been really wonderful feedback so far.
Yeah. Speaking about the industry members, a lot of industry members have just shared their support for you, but there are a lot of men in the industry who've spoken about it, especially Ranveer, Varun, Amit ji. And how do you see that men are also supporting makeup? There are now new lines coming from men beauty products as well.
I think that it's great that they're doing that. In fact, it was Karan Johar who was, really encouraging of the fact that, do something involving men, do something, include the guys in this, into K-beauty. And Ranveer was so sporting and so sweet to do that video for us, of him applying the kajal, because he's used kajal in his films, like in Padmavat, he's used kajal for his character. And it was really sporting of him to do that, and a lot of fun. And we had a blast doing that video. It was so much fun. True. It was blinking.
True, because I saw, I would say Big B Senior doing that video, so sharing your post, yes. Varun. Some of them, I think what things have changed over the years is like how people take beauty and makeup now.
Absolutely.
From 10 years before.
And also what we were saying with K-beauty and what we were saying with the video was something which was inclusive of all women. It was something about women. If you go to see, there isn't any product in the video. If you see the video, there's no image or shot of any product of K-beauty. It was just all about what we wanted to say about what it's like being a girl.
Yeah. There's so many people out there launching their own makeup line right now. It's a very, very hard business to be in, and in the 1 month, what I have heard from people is become very successful. People are very interested. What is Katrina bringing to the table? And it's very new, because the way you've named especially now the eyeshadow sticks, I was very surprised because I've never used a stick before.
Yeah, it's really handy and easy to use. And see, I think my experience with makeup makes a big difference also, because I've used makeup for, throughout my whole career. I've done my own makeup, which is something a lot of people haven't done. I've done my own makeup for many of my films, and many of songs and movies you see of mine, I've done my own makeup. So I know about products. So I know what product will be good, which is easy to use, which is going to be long lasting, and I know what product is not sitting on the skin properly. I have that experience, as well as working with the best makeup artists and all the tips and tricks that I've learned from them over the years.
Yeah. Going forward, what is your vision for K-beauty? Because this is such a best business to be in, and very vast business to be in. And I'm sure you have a lot of things that come in.
So many things that I want to do with K-beauty, and that's what's so exciting about it. Is I've got such incredible partners with Nykaa, with Falguni Nair and Veena, who are the CEOs of Nykaa. They are such passionate women about beauty and about makeup, and every time we sit down and have discussions that let's do this, and this is where we can take K-beauty, and this is where we want to take K-beauty, they're equally as passionate about it. And they have the knowledge of the consumer also. They are in touch with the consumer base and with the women who are buying makeup on an everyday basis. And whatever gaps there are in my knowledge, they have that information. So together we're a complete team. We have a good solid system, good solid support.
Yeah. You've been in the industry for over 15 years now. Starting from your modeling career till today, how has beauty evolved in the industry, or basically how have you seen change over the years as well?
I think what's important today is the conversation is more open, and the conversation is more upfront about the fact that there is no ideal standard of beauty. There really isn't. Every woman is beautiful and unique in her own way, and every woman, if you look at them just sit for a few moments, you can really find unique beauty in every woman's face, and that's what's so beautiful about it. And that's exactly what I want to always be synonymous with K-beauty, is that everyone has their own unique beauty in themselves.
So congratulations on this.
Thank you.
And all the best. I'm looking forward to new launches.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.